welcome back, and I hope you missed me. This is Ian from Vanity Speaks. Now, I am very excited to film this video because this is the first time that I am actually getting a ring light that I am using right now. Do you see that? You see that halo effect? Here we go. Ta-da! So this is a 26 centimeters my very own ring light, and you know, when I bought this, I only got it for 500 pesos. 500 pesos. If I choose to create my very own ring light, that would equate to about what? 3+ years. If the cheapest that I could go with DIY ring light would be about 100 pesos, including the lights and everything. That would be really cheap. Maybe 100, because the lights itself can cost about 100 pesos. You have to consider the cables, the circuit, the plug, and you know, let's say it's about 150-200 pesos at the most, or the cheapest. So 200 pesos. This is 500. I expect this to accompany me with all my videos for about 5+ years, hopefully 5 years, 6, 7. Alright, well, that's wishful thinking maybe. So let's go on ahead with the unboxing and the setup. Ooh. Welcome back, and there you have it. So, would I recommend this type of ring light? I do. I would keep on recommending this to, if I meet new vloggers, maybe starting photographers. This is, this for me is a basic equipment. So, definitely we need a light source. Because if you would take a look, this is how dim the video will be, plan B. And this is plan B, let there be light. So if you're someone like me who's short on, then girl, or guy, boy, idol, this is for you. Well, that's it for me, and I hope you learned something from this video. Kung nagde-decide ka, you're still in the maybe I will part middle, or leaning towards getting or buying a made ring light, girl, I would push you to yes. I would push you to yes because it's going to help you a lot. This is a stepping stone. It's for you. So I'll see you on the next video. Thank you again.